Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a document into the documents library. So what you need to do is you need to go to your browser, and then here we are, as you can see, we are logged into the admin dashboard. So what you need to do is you need to go on Mephis Documents, and then you click here. And then after we have loaded the Mephis Documents admin section, what you need to do next is you need to add a new document. So our title, for example, this is my document, it's called example document. So it's example document. And then I need to select the file from the computer. So I'm just going to pick up any random document that I have here, just to prepare this. Then I'm going to select that one, and then you can actually choose to say you want this document to fall into this category. So we have the subjects that we have already added, so I'm just going to go with geography. And under geography, I want it can either go to exam materials or under study material. So I want this to be under study material, and I want this to belong to the ordinary level category. So it's geography, study material, ordinary level, and then I click here, and then the versions. So if you have documents that are going to be changing versions, you can actually upload them using the versions. And then this is the date. Public file status, you can set it to private or you can set it to public, and then here you can set it to be published or private or pending review. And then here you show social apps icons, downloadable by non-members, so you can choose to say these people can download or these people cannot download. So you can just click on downloadable by non-members, or so I'm just going to leave it like this so that non-members can actually download this document. And then you can actually say if maybe the document was written maybe by 3 authors, you can actually write them here. And then here we have tags. For example, if it was history, German history, let's say, or European history, right? It's going to be okay. Since we are doing geography, it's going to be geography. So a tag can be geography, and probably maybe if we are dealing with the weathering topic, we can write weathering as a tag. If the article talks about oxidation, you can write about it here. You can just tag it as oxidation, and then you can categorize. So this one I'll just put it as an academic post. Then you can actually write a description here under here to say what does this document talk about. Maybe you can just give a preview here. So I'm just going to leave that blank, and then I'm going to click on add document. And then our document has been added. So just to see that our document has been actually added, I'm just going to go ahead to the website as a front-end user, and then our library is under library hasn't been added as yet, so I'll just type in the link. It should be library. Here we are, and here we are. We have our history, which is our main, which is our index folder, which is the default one, which loads on first instance. So since it's geography, we uploaded that one on geography. I'm just going to click on geography to load up the geography, and then I'm going to click on study material, and I'm going to click on ordinary level. Yeah, and as you can see, this is the document that we just uploaded a while ago. And then you can click here, and then you have options to download it, preview it, you can actually share it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So let's go to preview, and then the document is loaded. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye.